right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Juan, and I'm a software engineer. So a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Colombia. I lived there for about 10 years, and it was during that time where I learned about computers and technology through my dad, actually. So he was a professional soccer player in Colombia, and then later on he became a programmer. Much like myself, I've been playing soccer all my life, and I'm a programmer. So yeah, I love coding, I love soccer. I've been playing it all my life, and recently I found out about other sports like tennis and golf. So after Colombia, I came to the US where I went to school.
In Colombia, they didn't tell you there's other sports, it's just soccer.
Just soccer.
And you came here and you're like, oh, there's other sports?
Yeah, just soccer. Just last year I graduated from the University of Central Florida with a degree in IT. And then soon after I came to Boca Code to become a full stack engineer, check, and to get more involved with the technology, with the tech community, sorry, check.
Nice.
Okay, so, and here I came here today to present to you Eventify. So, almost 2 years ago the pandemic hit us, and it kind of changed the routines that we were used to. So, instead of like driving to work, we were working from home. Instead of our kids going to school, we were being homeschooled. And overall, we were just losing a lot of like movement. We were stuck at home most of the time, and we're losing a lot of physical activity. Another drawback was that we weren't socializing with other people. Because of social distancing and everything, we just weren't getting to talk to other people as much. So
it's a decent portrait of me, but my remote has fewer buttons.
Next time, wear clothes.
So to solve this problem, I created Eventify. So in this app, you can create or host an event, a sporting event, where you can, like for example, say you want to play a pickup basketball game. You can go ahead and create your own event and have people join it. Or if you just want to join the event that's already there, you can click on it and then you can get ready to start balling. So let me show you what the app is all about. Alright, so this is the homepage website. Here we have a nice video playing in the background with the button where we can get started right away. Well, let me show you the rest of the homepage. Here, if we go to this event, we can see that there's a button here where will show us all the events that are happening right now. We'll get to that in a second. For the sign up portion of this page, we can go ahead and just use Google to create an account. And over here, we just have some information about the app and about myself. So let's go ahead and log in. Great. Okay, awesome. This is the events list page. So here we can do a couple things. We can go ahead and click on one of the events that we would like to join. For example, not this one, I already joined it. Not that one because I already joined it. This one, for example, there's an join event button because I haven't joined it. So we can go ahead and join this one. And if we go back to it, we can go and see that our name is there now, or my name. We can also create an event. So for example, say we're going to play ping pong for engineers. Ping pong. Number of players is like 35 of us maybe.
Nice.
Here, Boca Code.
Ping pong game. Jeez.
You're gonna play. Make it 36 so it's even.
What is it?
Bring your own ball or beer or buddy. Create the event, and now we can see that the event has been created right here. And we can see that our name is already there because we are the one that hosted the event.
Or the Juan.
One person. Now we need 35 more.
So I know you guys are all wondering, how did I make this beautiful website? Great question. I made this website using a style called the Run Stack, which consists of Mongo database, where I used to store my events, Express and Node.js, where I used to create my RESTful API. For the front end, I used React, a very powerful library, and I used TypeScript all around my app. I also deployed my app using Google App Engine for the back end and Firebase hosting for the front end. because no app is complete without going to the cloud, right? So for security, I use JWT and Firebase authentication so that my app wouldn't get hacked on like Equifax.
Nice.
Some improvements I would like to make in the future are a notification function, which each user can be notified when their event is coming up, and maybe even a mobile app version of this web application. And that is it for the presentation. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you for your time.